Here's an old video for you to enjoy. Leave a comment, subscribe, and God bless you. Okay, what I'm going to show right now is called the inverted down block. So now the down block is where it goes from the inside to out. This time we're going from outside to in. I'm going to show it from a square horse stance. So I'm going to start with my left hand. I'm going to come across and drag it across hand with this part of the forearm, so thumb's going that way. And make sure you get past your other hand, come across, block. So inverted down block. Now from here, that's from a square horse. Now from a neutral position, I can step back into the fighting stance. There's that block. I still come across. This is against like a low kick or not low kick, but a kick to the stomach or a low punch to the stomach. So any strike coming straight into the stomach, this works. So come across. So now here's going to be a little technique using this. So it's throwing a punch, or a low punch, or the kick. Block, back fist, reverse punch. So from here, other side, step. So that's the inverted downward block and showing a practical use for it. Now what I'm going to do is a windmill block. From this, I'm going to go into a square horse stance. I'm going to start from there. It's a combination of two blocks. The blocks we're going to use is the inward block and an outward block. So from here, in the square horse, block in, come in front of the arm, block out, and remove this hand. That is your windmill block. Let's try it the other side. Come across, in front, and out. Now a little faster. So you can do this as a drill too. And keep working that. I'm going to punch straight out it's a vertical fist too. Up and down. You're going to hit with not just the flat part of the hand, I'm going to hit with the knuckles. So as I come out, I turn my knuckle in. So from here, come out, and then right here. I'm not going to go like this, but I'm coming out and boom. So make sure your hand is here. Square punch. Step out of the way, block, out, square punch. That's good if the guy is close to you. So you hit him in the kidney. Now a little farther, we can use this as in, out, reverse punch. Other side, step, in, out, square punch, in, out, reverse punch. And when I do the reverse punch, I can turn in that bow stance. Get a nice little pop in there. Check out my merch. You'll see on the screen the link. They will also be in the description. Now I'm going to show is a crescent kick. Crescent kick is good to knock things out of somebody's hand. Like so someone's got a knife or something in the hand and they're threatening you with it. Now you take the inside of the foot right here, and you're going to turn it and catch it with the inside and you kick with that. So I think of it like a front kick almost, as I bring it up. Instead of here, my target is here. Instead of bringing my foot straight at it, I bring it to the outside of it, because this is a kick that comes around. So from here, I straighten it out, turn my foot, and smack it across. It feels like a strange kick when we're doing this, but it works for what it is for, knocking things out of somebody's hand. Now, when you're doing the wheel kick, or the roundhouse, you may have noticed some of you might not turn the hips and end up having a kick kind of like that anyhow. So when you're doing it, you might slop up and do it that way. I've seen that many times. It's crescent kick. That's all. So let's take it from here, just a neutral position, leg up, kick across. I think of like waving hello with the foot. So straighten it out, turn it across and kick. Other side. So up, come out, turn it and strike. You hit it with this part. Crescent kick. Now I'm going to show the reverse crescent kick. This kick here, we're going to come from one side and go into the outside of the body instead of from outside in. So now, take it this way, across. Again, here's my target. I'm not coming straight in at it. I'm coming to the side of it, so I have to get around it. So instead of picking my knee up straight ahead, I pick it up over here, come around and hit across. Now I'm going to hit at the outside of the knife edge. So here's the knife edge here. I'm going to hit with that part. I'm going to come across and strike it. Just like a knife hand block, here we're taking the foot and coming across. Now this is also good to knock things out of someone's hand. But now I use it for point fighting, this one. Coming up and kick people in the helmet. It's a fun kick to do. You know, I like this one a little bit better than the crescent kick. It just seems more fun to me. So from here, pick up the leg, straighten out like you're doing a front kick over here, and then swing it like hello. Other leg. So pick it up, straighten out, and come across. So from here, first elbow we can do is elbow straight up. Hit it with the tip here. You don't want to hit with the nerves or anything, but see where the forearm is here? That base right about in here, you can catch it. And then you will catch the tip of that. These elbows are wicked. I've been hit with it by accident. The guy went to cover his head like this, caught me in the corner eye, cut me open, and got 3 stitches off of that one. So these elbows, you got to be careful on who you decide you want to hit with them. If you're defending yourself, that's fine, but if you just mess around with your friends, don't elbow them. For the kids out there, if there's a kid messing with you and you need to defend yourself, do not elbow them. The elbows cut and they destroy. So these are tough weapons. So we're going to come straight up here, center line of your body while your fist's coming up like this. So now from here, I step up. Right here, center line, the hand goes past my head. Elbow comes up, now elbow is lined in that center line. See, I can step forward into the bow stance, turn into a horse stance, and you can deliver a lot of power to that strike. They can go up to the chin, or if a guy is bent over, you can get him in the nose or even the eye. Now that's one way to do it, is the upward elbow. Next elbow we're going to do is come across. So from the square horse, hand come up, twisting motion, and drag it across. I'm not twisting too much into it, you could, but right now I just want the elbow. You can even do the elbow smash. And again, you hit with this part of the forearm to the tip of the elbow. You've got a lot of base to there, it's nice and strong. There's the elbow strike. Okay, another elbow we're going to do is coming in a downward motion. Straight down. From here, pick it up, straight down, hitting right here, more to the tip of the elbow. If you hit it back here too much, you might start hitting that funny bone even. Come down right here. Catch it with the bone itself. This is great if you got a guy bent over, hit him in the spine, hit him in the back of the head. That's what we use it for in Kempo. Again, like I said, This is for self-defense purposes only. Don't go up there and just start elbowing guys. It's not good. Alright, so this is your downward elbow. Another one we can do is on a diagonal elbow. This is great for hitting the sternum. We can come over top and diagonally get them. So from here, I'm going to take this from the fighting stance coming down like this. It's dead straight down, or it's right there on an angle. You can come across, boom, and catch them straight in. Now another way we do the elbows is straight across. This is great if you catch your arm, hit them, and pound them straight across. So I'm going to do this from a square horse. Hand comes up, drag it across. And you can do a little twisting motion here. See my hand twisting? And you can catch them with the tip of the elbow. So now another elbow we do is straight back. See, like you can punch forward, bring it back. So we're in a square horse, you know, we have our hands up on the ribs. There's a reason why. Now you can deliver the tip of that elbow coming back. There's your elbows.
A good leader is always pursuing self-improvement, not only for themselves, but for those they lead. Because if they become better, they're going to lead better, but they're also going to become an example for others. If you watch my old YouTube videos, you can see that my martial arts skills, my filming style, and my speaking has become better. Not just because over time, it's because I've worked on these things. Not just for me, but to make better videos for those watching and be able to be an influence for others. Now, a good leader doesn't just seek to improve themselves, but they seek to improve their team, those they lead. So what are you seeking to improve on? If you don't know who I am, my name is Roger Grimes. And check out my website, betterlife75.com. God bless you, and go and be great.